In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your activity panel in Google Drive. Understanding how to track and manage your file activities can be incredibly helpful, particularly when you're collaborating with others and need to keep tabs on document changes or locate specific files quickly. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, make sure you're on your computer. Open your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you arrive at Google Drive's homepage, you'll likely see a list of your files and folders if you're already logged in. If not, a quick sign-in using your credentials will get you there. Having all your projects neatly organized can be a lifesaver, especially if you're a busy bee juggling multiple tasks at once. Now that you're in your Google Drive, take your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel with a series of options. Click on the one labeled My Drive. This section is essentially the heart of your Google Drive universe, where all your uploaded files and folders reside. It gives you a comprehensive view, enabling you to navigate through your documents efficiently. Once inside My Drive, let's shift our focus from the left over to the top right corner of your display. You should see a little circle icon labeled Info, which is your gateway to the activity panel. Click on it to reveal a side panel that pops up on the right. This is your activity feed, a smart feature that tracks the recent actions taken within your drive. It's particularly useful if you've got your hands full with collaborative projects because it shows you who's been working on what and when. If you are the owner of a particular file or folder, you have the benefit of reviewing recent activities associated with those items. This feature allows you to reconstruct the sequence of changes or actions taken, which can be incredibly handy, say, when you're trying to pin down when a certain edit was made or to verify file version histories. Scrolling through this activity log can potentially help you locate a specific file more swiftly. It's somewhat like a virtual detective's tool for your documents, providing insight into what exactly has unfolded. In a nutshell, by accessing your Google Drive activity panel, you're better equipped to manage your files, keep abreast of changes, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Remember to revisit this panel regularly to help stay on top of your digital workspace. Following this guide will undoubtedly make navigating your Google Drive a more organized and efficient experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough empowers you to make the most of your Google Drive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.